who's the president, Indonesian president for the future, where they can handle our nation in the future for the high tech in the future nation. So if we have a president nothing acknowledgement about that, about high tech in the future, so I think that our country maybe can be can become to what we call it, the terbelakang gitu, bangsa yang terbelakang, yang bangsa yang akan kerdil dan akan selalu diinjak-injak itu. But I think that this right if our president of our leader the nation, our nation, not thinking about that. So this is the important information for our nation. What important information? This is about the high technology for the future in the world.